now back here on the Firebird, and it's time to do a little cleaning on it. Mainly because you saw the ants. I want to wash this thing off and get rid of anything that is drawing and attracting all the ants, because that could be a headache. Also, I'd like to try to buff it today, at least get that out of the way. That way when I clean it later, it'll be a lot easier. Also, it's extremely hot and I don't want to work on anything. I'll be in the hundreds with the heat index even higher. So who knows? Try and start this off pretty early and under the shade tree. It's going to kind of defeat the purpose because I'm under this pecan tree, and while cleaning I do may not do good, but it's covered by a tarp after I'll clean it, so should be okay. Now what I'm going to start off is putting the new gas struts on the hood. That way I can open the hood and leave it open so I can clean under there too, and around all the little edges where leaves and debris would build up, because they have. And real quick, I was thinking about doing something with the exhaust, but I don't think I can, so let's look at that. Now, being the person I am, I have several of these from pipes, and I wanted to do something like this. Well, if you look under the car, this side has all the room in the world to do it. Great. That side has this little hump here hanging down for the spare tires, so that may not work like I want planned. Now that right there alone was worth it, because those are junk. Now the hatch is the same way, but I don't know where the key is for the hatch. The hatch button works. I had to put a battery back in, but I'm not ready to do that because I'm gonna move the battery and change the cables. So, but for now, at least I can get up under there and wash all that gunk out. And there's a bunch of leaves and debris piled up everywhere in there, so, well, now I can get to cleaning. I guess it's time to buff it, and hopefully it looks better, because that hood's the most faded part on this. I'm going to start there first. Let's see how everything looks. It's not perfect, but it's better. Now I could use a little stronger buffing compound, but that's what I had at the moment. Ran out of the other stuff, and yeah, so does look better. I think I may put this on Marketplace and attempt to trade the hood for something else. Maybe the Ram Air hood, but see what's out there. Yeah, there, it's cleaned up. Well, a little cloud coverage right now, but it's still miserably hot, so I'm going to call it a day here. And thing is, not too worried about getting it perfectly clean. Just got some of the stuff off it, nasty off it, because I will probably have to take it to a car wash again eventually after, you know, nature happens. So, I hope you enjoyed this episode. As always, thanks for watching.